I'm Rebecca Franks, a loyalist from New York. A loyalist is a person who feels deep loyalty to Britain. I believe that Americans should remain under British rule. I am a loyalist for 3 reasons. Reason number 1. In the Proclamation of 1763, the King is just trying to help us by not letting us move west of the Appalachian Mountains. The Patriots' concerns are exaggerated. They don't need to move west of the Appalachians. They can find plenty of farming land to the east of the Appalachians. A patriot might say that this is unjust and an act of tyranny, but the King is just trying to do the right thing and protect us. The King isn't trying to do us colonists any harm. He's just trying to save us from further conflict with Native Americans. Reason number 2. The Boston Massacre isn't the soldiers' fault. They felt that they were in danger by the Patriots. The Patriots are blowing this horrid event way out of proportion. It is not a massacre, it is a tragedy. The Patriots brought this upon themselves. They were throwing rocks and snowballs at the soldiers and egging them on. One man even knocked a soldier to the ground. The soldiers had no choice but to fire. They were in danger. Even John Adams, a true patriot, is on our side and believes that the soldiers are entitled to a fair trial. Reason number 3. Regarding the intolerable acts. This is what the Patriots get for trying to rebel. They caused this. What else was the King supposed to do? He needs to have better control of the Patriots. Now that the British are in control of Massachusetts, maybe the Patriots will understand that they should stop rebelling and live with Britain in control. The Patriots' acts were reckless, and they deserve all of what they got. However, us loyalists are reasonable people, and we believe that the King should repeal the intolerable acts. We strongly believe that the King will see our side of things and everything will go back to normal. That is why I am a loyalist. Thank you.